Do you want to create a bird-friendly garden? Today, we'll explore how to cultivate a space that both supports local bird populations and adds a vibrant touch to your surroundings. Plus, these feathered friends can help control pests. Creating a bird-friendly garden is easier than you might think, and we'll guide you through the process. The first step to creating a bird-friendly garden is choosing the right plants. The key lies in opting for native plants, those that naturally thrive in your locale. These plants are a buffet and sanctuary for birds, providing both food and shelter. Each bird species has its own plant preference, so it's essential to do a little homework. Find out which birds flutter around your area and what plants they fancy. So, choose wisely and consider the needs of your local bird species. Another important aspect of creating a bird-friendly garden is providing water and shelter. A bird bath or pond acts as a haven for birds, offering them a place to drink and bathe. It's important to keep this water source clean and fresh. Trees and shrubs, on the other hand, provide necessary shelter from weather and predators, while also offering safe nesting sites. So don't overlook these elements when planning your garden. Remember, water and shelter are just as important as food for our feathered friends. Once you've set up your garden, it's important to maintain it. Keeping your garden clean and safe for our feathered friends is paramount. Avoid using pesticides and other harmful chemicals that pose a risk to birds. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods. Maintain diversity and vibrancy in your garden, as different bird species are attracted to different plants and insects. Regular upkeep will keep your garden lively and inviting. With consistent care and attention, your garden will become a haven for birds. Creating a bird-friendly garden is a rewarding experience that brings life and beauty to your outdoor space. Embrace this adventure, enjoy the benefits, and share your experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Now go out there and start creating your bird paradise.